The practice of yoga supports physical, mental, and spiritual development that allows you to create the best version of yourself. Yoga may also be an effective tool to help you lose weight, especially the more active forms of yoga. And you may find that the awareness gained through a gentle, relaxing yoga practice helps you to lose weight as well. Many experts agree that yoga works in different ways to bring about a healthy weight. Let's take a look at a few of those ways. Yoga and mindfulness. The mental and spiritual aspects of yoga focus on developing mindfulness. This increases your awareness on many levels. It can make you more conscious of how different foods affect your mind, body, and spirit. Since you're advised not to practice yoga on a full stomach, you are likely to make healthy eating choices before doing yoga. After a yoga session, you may be more likely to crave fresh, unprocessed foods. You may also learn to chew each bite more thoroughly and eat more slowly, which can lead to less consumption. Yoga and better sleep. Practicing yoga can help improve the quality of your sleep. You may find that you're able to fall asleep more easily and sleep more deeply when you have a consistent yoga practice. Ideally, you should sleep between 6 and 9 hours each night. Quality sleep is often associated with weight loss. A 2018 study found that people who had restricted sleep 5 times per week lost less fat than the group that followed their normal sleeping patterns. Both groups were limiting the number of calories they consumed, suggesting that sleep loss has an adverse effect on body composition, including fat loss. Yoga and calorie burning. While yoga isn't traditionally considered an aerobic exercise, there are certain types of yoga that are more physical than others. Active, intense styles of yoga help you burn the most calories. This may help prevent weight gain. Ashtanga, Vinyasa, and Power Yoga are examples of more physical types of yoga. Practicing yoga may also help you develop muscle tone and improve your metabolism. Increases physical activity. Many forms of yoga involve moving the body through various poses and sequences, providing a form of physical exercise. Reduces stress. Chronic stress can lead to overeating and weight gain. Yoga is a low-impact form of exercise that can help reduce stress levels, leading to a reduction in overeating and improved weight management. Boosts metabolism. Certain yoga poses can help stimulate the digestive system, increasing metabolism and promoting weight loss. Improves flexibility and balance. Improved flexibility and balance can lead to more effective and efficient physical activity, making it easier to engage in other forms of exercise. It is important to keep in mind that yoga should be part of a comprehensive weight loss program that also includes a healthy diet and other forms of physical activity. Additionally, it is always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new exercise program.
That's it for today. Check out the channel for more health and weight loss content. You can also purchase our weight loss course. And please, like and subscribe to be notified of our next tip. See you next time.